Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to see carbohydrate. I am Dr. A.S. Vijay Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Biochemistry, JJ College of Arts and Science, Pudukkottai. Carbohydrate. Carbohydrates are commonly called as sugars composed of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Term saccharide is derived from the Latin word saccharum, from the sweet taste of sugars. Compounds like glucose, fructose, starch, and cellulose are called as carbohydrates. Types of carbohydrates are monosaccharide, disaccharide, and polysaccharides. Monosaccharides are the simplest form of the carbohydrate and contain different classes such as trioses, tetroses, etc. The organic compounds which yield polyhydric aldehyde or ketone on hydrolysis are called as carbohydrates. Empirical formula is CH2ON. The name carbohydrate means a hydrate or of carbon. For example, glucose is written as C6H12O6. Classification of carbohydrate: monosaccharide, oligosaccharide, polysaccharide. Polysaccharides are further classified into homopolysaccharide and heteropolysaccharides. Monosaccharides are simplest group of carbohydrate which cannot be hydrolyzed into simple sugar. They are divided into different classes on the basis of number of carbon atoms present in it, like trioses, tetroses, pentoses, etc. Oligosaccharides are formed by the condensation of a few monosaccharide units. During the union of monosaccharide units, water molecule is estimated and the remaining units are linked to an oxygen bridge called as glycosides bond. They are being divided into disaccharides and trisaccharides. Disaccharides are sucrose, maltose, lactose. Polysaccharides means polysaccharides consist of repeating units of monosaccharides. Their derivatives held together by a glycosidic bond. These structures are often linear but may contain various degrees of branching. Polysaccharides are often quite heterogeneous, containing slight modifications of that repeating unit. Definition: polysaccharides are the complex carbohydrates. They are made up of chains of monosaccharide which are linked together by glycosidic bonds which are formed by the condensation of reaction. Types and structural features. Homopolysaccharides: they are such polysaccharides which on hydrolysis yield a single type of monosaccharides. Thus, glucans are polymers of glucose and fructose are polymers of fructose. When all the monosaccharides in a polysaccharide are the same type, the polysaccharide is called as homopolysaccharide or homoglycan. Starch. Starch is the carbohydrate result of plants which is the important dietary source of animals including man. High content of starch is found in cereals, tubers, vegetables. Starch is homopolymer composed of units held by alpha glucosidic bonds. Composition of starch consists of two polysaccharide components, water soluble amylose and water insoluble aminopectin. Structure of starch. Starch when hydrolyzed yield alpha D glucopyranose zone by Howard. In starch molecule, alpha D glycopyranose units are linked with each other through oxygen atoms at carbon atom number 4. This is the starch picture. Physical properties of starch. White amorphous powder having no taste and no odor. It consists of two polysaccharide units, amylase and amylopectin. Insoluble in water but swells up to form a gel in water. Chemical properties of starch are reaction with iodine. Soluble starch gives blur color with iodine. The color disappears on heating to 80 degrees centigrade and reappears on cooling. Effect of heat. On heating starch to 200 to 250 degrees centigrade, it is changed to dextrine. It is called lower molecular weight. Uses of starch. Main constituents of food to produce heat and employed as an adhesive in book bindings. Manufacture of glucose and alcoholic beverages are used for starch and used as a gelatin in preparation of sweets. In paper industry also, starch can use it. Glycogen. Glycogen is the carbohydrate reserve in animals called as animal starch. It is present in high concentration in liver followed by muscle, brain, etc. Glycogen is also found in plants that do not possess chlorophyll. The structure of glycogen. The structure of glycogen is similar to the amylopectin with more number of branches. Glucose is the repeating unit in the glycogen joined together by the glycosidic bonds and alpha M6 glycosidic bonds at branching points. This is the glycogen structure. Uses of glycogen. It acts as storage food reserve in animal and help in glycolysis. Provides energy when needed. Cellulose. Cellulose widely occurs in vegetables because it forms fundamental constituents of cell walls and vegetable tissues. Sources of cellulose: cotton, wood, paper, jute, hemp. All of them contain small amount of minerals matter which is left as residues when they are burnt. Physical properties of cellulose: it occurs in the form of hollow fiber which have characteristic appearance and dimension. Cellulose is soluble in ammoniacal solution of cupric hydroxide and insoluble in all organic solvents. Chemical properties of cellulose are hydration. On treatment with the acids, it is exchanged to hydrated cellulose called hydrocellulose. And action of alkalis are when cellulose is treated with 15 to 20% caustic soda solution, its reticulated fibrous walls swell to cylindrical shape. This is the structure of cellulose. And cellulose is composed of beta D glucose units and industrial applications of cellulose. Textile industry: cellulose employed in manufacture of cotton and linen, and the jute is employed in a smaller extent. Wrapping also cellulose can use it, and explosive also cellulose used. Like gum, cotton, which is cellulose trinitrate, is used as blasting and propellant explosives. Heteropolysaccharides: when the polysaccharides are composed of different types of sugars, referred to as heteropolysaccharides. Heteroglycans. Mucopolysaccharides: they are heteroglycans made up of repeating unit of sugar derivatives, namely amino or uronic acid. They are commonly known as glucosamine glycans. Some of the mucopolysaccharides found in combination with the proteins to form mucoproteins and are proteoglycans. Hyaluronic acid: important GHG found in the round substances of synovial fluid of joint and vitreous humor of eyes. Present in connective tissue and forms a gel around. Structure of hyaluronic acid: composed of alternative units of D-glucuronic acid and N-acetyl D-glucosamine. These two molecules formed disaccharide units held together by beta-1,3 glycosidic bonds. This is the structure of sodium hyaluronate. Thank you.